The Hunga-Tonga Hunga Haʻapai volcano in the South Pacific Ocean, about 70 kilometers north of the Tongan capital, Nuku'alofa, has been active in recent days. Its eruption sending ash more than 20 kilometers into the sky on Friday. Another eruption on Saturday was so violent it was seen from space and registered 2,000 kilometers away in New Zealand. It triggered a tsunami, which hit Tonga within 20 minutes, waves crashing ashore on the main island Hunga-Tonga, and violent ash turned skies over the capital as black as night. Residents of low-lying islands in the area have been told to stay indoors, wear a mask outside, and cover rainwater reservoirs due to the falling ash and acid rain. Here's how one woman described it to her family and friends.
There was like explosions in town. I guess it was from the volcano. And they like literally popped out your drums and they were just explosions. Everyone froze in town and they just like go pitch black. We said to hold down immediately if you are in the danger zone.
Warnings too for those further away in Fiji and American Samoa. Tonga Geological Services say this latest eruption was 7 times more powerful than a previous one in December, and there may be more to come. Opposite. The Hunga-Tonga Hunga Haʻapai volcano